Hello everyone, welcome to our class of Basic to Advanced for Canva course. So if you are planning to learn how to use Canva from beginning, then you are in the right place. If you do not have any prior experience, then it's okay, as we will go through everything to learn as we go. Now, to introduce you, let's take a look at what you'll be learning from the course. So at first, I'm going to teach you about Canva, so an introduction to Canva and how you can circumnavigate throughout its interface. Then I'll show you how you can use basic design elements. Then I'll show you the basics of exporting. Now, at the end of the entire course, I'll also show you exporting again, but that time it will be about publishing and other social media sharing, and cloud storage is included as well. So the third lesson about exporting will be the bare minimum exporting that you can do. As we progress through the class, you need to export and save those files for resources. So next up is templates, where I'll teach you how you can go through the templates and how you can customize the templates into your own design and style. Then I will show you how you can work with images and the tools and utilities needed to tweak and change how the images work or look like. Then typography and text effects. So it's basically the text tool of Canva, and the typography and the fonts and everything that's related with text I'll teach you in this lesson. Then you have graphics and icons. So a lot more elements are, we are going to dive into the graphics and icons parts of the elements from the basic design elements, that is. Then I will show you some advanced tips or share with you some advanced tips in Canva which might help you out. Then we have animation and interactive designs. Here I'll show you what animation is and how you can do interactive designs on both like images and also presentations as well. Then you have collaborating with teams, then you have print design, then you have social media graphics, then you have t-shirt designs, making advertisements, logos, banners, cover photo editing, then profile picture editing, then making reels and social media posts, and then exporting again, which I mentioned before. Now, after completion, you will be able to use Canva for most general purposes, which include photo editing or to video editing to advertisement making. Then use most of Canva's tools and utilities and can use them with efficiency as well. Now, do keep this in mind that this is a project-based course. So at the end of all the classes, you will have class projects that will enable you to actively participate in them to practice or refine what you have learned throughout the entire course. You will be provided with supporting resources, so it will become easier to learn as we go. Now, during learning, if you have any queries or any kind of problems, then do feel free to ask me. I will always be available to help if needed. So let us go ahead and get started with our course.